Good morning. Today we're going to be working on a 2010 Road King. Under 10,000 miles, but customers complaining about an oil leak. So what I did was I cleaned it up, and at the bottom of the bike by the transmission bracket to the exhaust, it's loose. It's a common problem. That's why I feel let me do one of these videos, because it surely can help somebody out there. It's not hard to fix. If you bring it to the dealers, it could cost you a little bit of money. So with that, I'm going to show you how to repair this transmission oil leak. The first thing you want to do is figure out, is it your transmission? Usually on the service from Harley Davidson, they will tighten all these fasteners, but not everybody goes for their 10,000 mile service, and you hope that they tighten these fasteners. I just know this problem has occurred a few times in this garage. So with that, I'm going to do a quick video. We'll alter a few Allen keys, and this project is very manageable by almost all. And with that, let's get started. Now our problem lies right here with this bracket. This is an exhaust bracket. All Harley V-twins have some sort of exhaust bracket, and this, after time with vibration, will loosen. So it's a good service habit to check these Allen bolts. You'll notice there's these bigger ones in the back. Here, 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 over there. Two down here with that bracket. With this bracket that's connected to the transmission assembly and to the exhaust, with the vibration causes these two to loosen. And now you got your last one right here. So what we need to do today, I sprayed this with cleaner, and I can see, I started it up, and you can see where it's leaking. You'll see where these hardware and this bracket, exhaust bracket, interface with each other and cause the problem. As long as you service it, it's no problem. We will remove the bag, the exhaust, loosen up the exhaust, and give us a little room. We'll alter an Allen key, and we'll get this job done. So what I did was I took an Allen key and I grinded it. As you see now, it's shorter. So now, as you look down here, you're going to see your bracket. Underneath your bracket, there's the Allen heads. We need to get this in there and tighten those two up. For now, all right, with the 1/4 inch. Nice. I tighten these, but just doing it again. You can see I loosen the shield, the exhaust, but let's see what we can get at. And don't go crazy, just snug them up nice. Now you see these, now you could use one of these, but this angle right here is a little tough. That's not that bad. Beautiful. And you can buy these tools at Harbor Freight. But like I said, you want these casing bolts for your transmission. That's where the problem. Then we'll check. This one's for your clutch cable. But you gotta have it squarely in there. If you don't, you will have problems. Okay. Now this is 3/16, I believe. 3/16. Let's just check those. Nice. 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 So I like all those. Those are good. What we have left are the two on the exhaust bracket that goes from the transmission to this exhaust, and that's where your problems are. And you would think this should do it. You would think this would do it, but it just, the angle's too tough. So what you have to do, take an Allen head, grind it, and work it from underneath. So, like I said, you gotta get in there, and you'll see. It's a problem. It's a hard spot. I loosen the exhaust up. Sometimes you might have to remove all this. Pretty soon we'll see. Alright, from the bottom, work it. Right there, I got the Allen key fit into that Allen head. That's the hardware on this bracket, which goes through the transmission casing. So with that, I have that set up, and then there's the other Allen head. Now, here's the end of my Allen head. I'm going to put my finger in here, make sure that's nice and squarely in there. Now, I tightened this already. I just wanted to show you guys. Just tighten it up. Now we get to the next one. It'll be the bracket getting in your way. You're there. Now you see I got the second one. Just guide it in with your finger. Relocate, bring it back. You only got so much room in there, but you gotta make sure it's squarely in there, because you don't want to strip them. There you go. What you want to do is get one of these wobble head Allen heads, which is 3/16. You can buy them Harbor Freight, anywhere. And tighten each one of them under your oil pan. You'll see it. You go under there, tighten them up. Not just, you'll see. Just a nice little turn, snug them up, clean up everything, and you should have no oil leaks. All right? I hope this helped somebody. I'm going to put it back together. Have a great day. Any questions, just ask. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and have a great day and ride safe.